Alright, I'm going to try and get all this into this. If I can get it all into this, it's $25 to get this whole bag washed. And frankly, we're old and have good jobs, so we can pay $25 to do it. And we're too lazy to do it ourselves today.
And ironed.
Oh, and iron. So I've got to mark them down as I put them in. But I reckon, and I haven't done this before, I reckon the key to all this is how well you fold stuff. And I like to think of myself as the queen of packing, so I reckon I can get all this in there. If I pack it properly. If I actually pay some attention to the size of things as I put them in. One shirt. One formal shirt. So I've got it all in there and I've got still room for these. So I'm going to throw them in too.
And that's the bag you get there. It's a decent sized bag. Yeah. I think it's bigger than the one it used to be. They're also doing, as a side note, a full ship, a room evacuation. So there may be someone come busting in that door soon and try and get us off the ship. It's a practice drill.
Singlet. I don't think there's a singlet on here.
Go.
So I've actually done this twice. Full disclosure. I did it once and didn't count everything before I put it in. So what I would do next time is I would do what I did the second time. I throw it all on the bed, count it all, because you've got to actually write down on here what you've got, how many of each thing.
There you
go. So in hindsight, I would have thrown it all on the bed, counted it all, put it on there, and then folded it into the bag. But live and learn, we all do. But I have fitted, so we haven't washed since we left home on the
Friday.
14th, on Friday, and it's now the 19th. So that's 5 days worth of laundry for us.
For two of us.
Break it down, that's $5 a day to have someone else do your laundry, and in terms of Jay stuff, press his business shirts. So we'll let you know when we get it back and we'll show you how it looks and what the quality is. So the laundry is back. So it's come back in two bags the size pretty much of the one that I folded them in. It's taken roughly 24 hours, I guess, to get it back. This isn't too bad. So we haven't opened it. This is like the unboxing of Carnival laundry. Oh my god, how exciting. Oh. Look how lovely and folded that is. That's one pile. And that's the other pile, so it's all folded and it's all nice. We'll take a shirt. The shirt will be the test. No, that's pretty good. I no complain. So, look, it's a really good service. It's a bit crinkly. It's a really good service. The only thing is, of course, if you need it quickly, then you're not going to get it quickly. So, bear in mind it's going to take you a day. But hey, it was $25 and I didn't have to wash it. But I will still bring laundry stuff on cruises, because if we need something quickly, this is not going to get it to us quickly.